Hindi na. Oh, sige.
Okay, political question lang, ma'am. Nag-file na po ng impeachment complaint against PBBM. Meron po ba kayong reaction dito, ma'am?
Sa ngayon, wala pa. Hintayin natin ang mga susunod na mga araw kung meron akong reaction.
How about the seemingly
What?
obvious filing of impeachment complaint against you for next month after the lift of 1-year ban?
As expected, dahil sila din naman na ang nagsasabi lagi na magpa-file sila ng impeachment complaint. So, alam na natin yun na mangyayari yun. And as expected as well, magiging katulad lang din yan nung nakaraan na ginagawang fundraising ng mga members of the House of Representatives yung pagpirma nila sa impeachment. It's all about the money dyan.
VP, recently the International Criminal Court Office of the Prosecutor, through their social media platform, released a statement asking or appealing to the Filipino people who are allegedly victim of the war on drugs to come out and be a witness to the charges hurled against her father. What's your opinion to this move?
Attorney Nicholas Kaufman already gave a comment, So his comment includes my opinion because we discussed it before he gave his statement on this matter. So I reflect, my opinion reflects what Attorney Kaufman said.
Is there something that the former president wished to share to the Filipino people, ma'am, for this year 2026?
Unfortunately, hindi kami umabot sa usapan na ganyan. Ang napag-usapan namin kanina ay yung mga tao na nagpapaabot ng pangamusta sa kanya. Pag-usapan namin yung nagtanong siya sa mga anak ko, kamusta daw yung mga anak ko. Nagtanong siya sa mama ko, kamusta daw yung mama ko. So, baka bukas. First day pa kasi, so medyo all about personal affairs yung kanya. Let's see tomorrow.
I think that, mayroon ba kayong question, guys? Ano?
Any comment po sa petition po ng Blue Ribbon Committee about sa DPWH corruption?
I reflect din the sentiment of many. Masyadong, sorry, Blue Ribbon ito ng Senate pala,
Yes.
hindi ito ICI. Well, trabaho naman yan ng Senate at ang atin lang New Year's resolution dyan sa Blue Ribbon na ay sana meron ng mga managot sa nangyari.